Getting a quote from Xometry is quick and easy. Start by uploading your CAD files using our secure uploader. It supports some of the most common file types, and you can upload multiple files at once. Within seconds, our system will analyze your parts, suggest a manufacturing process, and provide you with instant pricing and lead time options. Need to attach technical drawings or supporting documents? Just click the Upload Drawings button. To customize your parts even further, use the Edit Configuration button. Use the built-in part viewer to see models in detail and review DFM feedback. You can specify your part quantity using the field provided. Pricing and lead times will update instantly as you make changes. The Savings by Quantity table also makes it easy to spot cost breaks at higher volumes. Need to switch processes? Use the drop-down menu to choose from a wide range of manufacturing technologies. Xometry offers everything from CNC machining to sheet metal fabrication, tube and sheet cutting to 3D printing, injection molding, casting, and more. You'll also be able to select materials and finishes from our extensive catalog. If you don't see what you're looking for, choose Other and write in your custom request. To ensure your quote is accurate, make sure to select key features such as tapped holes, inserts, precision tolerances, and part marking. We offer a variety of inspection options to meet your quality needs, from our standard inspection included with every order to more advanced options like first article inspections with full reports. You can also specify certs like certificates of conformance or material certifications. Use the Notes section to highlight any special instructions or provide details on custom selections. When you're finished configuring a part, just click Save Configuration in the top right to lock in your changes and return to the quote summary screen. When you are ready, you can head to checkout or share the quote directly with your purchaser. If you have questions at any point, our support team and engineers are always here to help.